The hidden wonders of nature's plants and flowers are waiting for you. Imagine a field of wildflowers, each bloom a vibrant splash of colour amidst a sea of green. From the delicate petals of a rose to the towering majesty of a sunflower, nature's palette is simply breathtaking. Did you know some plants can even communicate with each other? Trees share nutrients through their roots, almost like a secret underground network. And let's not forget the magic of pollination, bees and butterflies dancing from flower to flower, spreading life in their wake. Next time you're outside, take a moment to appreciate the silent wonders around you. Because in every petal, every leaf, there's a story waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, nature lovers.